Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my...
Hey guys, so today we're going to bleach this curly hair blonde. And I'm just going to start off by taking a loose each bundle. Okay, step 1, prep. So I'm going to start off by taking the hair apart and I'm just leaving them folded over, and I'm just going to take some hangers and clip to both ends of the hair. This will help me have better access to all of the hair and for it not to get all jumbled up and in a pile on the table. Step 2, black to brown. So as you can see, the hair came a natural black color, but because I want this hair to be light, I don't want it to go from black to blonde. I'd rather go from brown to blonde. So I'm taking this honey blonde dye and I'm just going to lighten the hair a little and change it from black to dark brown. Note, this is the only time I'll be using a comb on this hair. Ever since I started dyeing the hair and since I've been wearing it, I have not used a comb on this hair. I let the curls continue to make their own coils, and this helps to not have as much frizz and flyaways. Leave in for 45 minutes or until hair has turned the brown color that you like. Step 3, divide hair in half. So here you see I'm taking every other curl or every two, just randomly selecting hair to fold up, and this half the hair will be bleached only one time while the bottom will be bleached twice. Step 4, bleaching. So I'm just going to take this brush that I got from Sally's and this 40 volume developer, and I'm going to mix it with my W2 bleach. Now I did end up going through a tub and 3 packs of this bleach to finish this project. So make sure you don't just get a little. So as you can see, I'm just going to mix it up here until I get the consistency I want. And I'm making sure that it's not too loose and not too thick, but somewhere in the middle. So as you can see, I flipped the hair over. Make sure to not just go over the hair with the bleach on one side, but to flip over the hair and to get the bleach into those curls from the back as well, because like I said, we want everything to turn evenly. Make sure to leave in for at least 45 minutes or until you get the color that you desire. I let the hair dry overnight. After I let it sit in conditioner for a little over an hour, and as you can see, all the hair turned evenly and the hair lightened very well. This hair at this point has been dyed once and bleached, and the ends still curl and look just like they did before. like I mentioned before, I did need a lot of bleach to finish this project, and I did end up having to go get a tub of BW2 bleach, and I went ahead and got another 30 and 40 volume developer as well, because the 40 volume developer I had before, I had used some out of it and I just needed some more. Please note that in this process, I am mixing both my 30 and 40 volume developer for the second bleaching of the hair. Step 5. Time to bleach again. So I'm going to take the mixture of 30 and 40 volume developer with the bleach, and I'm just going to go back over the bleach sections of the hair. I'm going to try to make sure to not go on any non-bleach sections, but if you go up a little, that's fine, but I personally want to keep my roots dark, so I'm not going to bleach all the way up. Make sure you get the bleach into the ends really well, and also just make sure you get it into each curl really well. Turn your brush sideways and really work the bleach into the curl, because like I said, since we're not combing this hair, you have to go the extra mile to make sure everything's evenly coated. Step 7. Coloring the hair. So as I said previously, I went ahead and I bleached one half of each bundle and half of the frontal twice, and then I went ahead and I bleached the other half of the hair only once. This will allow the hair to have highs and lows and highlights and not be all one color. I'm now going to take this Revlon Color Silk in the color 05 Light Ash Blonde, and I'm going to apply it to all of the hair. Now as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the frontal. So for this part of the process, altogether I used all 3 boxes of dye. Now I do have 3 26-inch bundles and 1 20-inch frontal. And I could have used the 4th box of dye, 3 boxes cut it close. So just make sure you have enough. So now that I've washed the dye out, you can see the hair is not yellow at all anymore. But also, can you see all those different color browns? A lot of people may say all the steps I did were unnecessary, but it gets more of a natural color to the hair because it has a bunch of highlights and lowlights, and it just looks so nice. I can't wait to see how this is gonna look when it's done. Okay guys, so now I have rinsed the conditioner out of the hair, and you can see all of the different highlights and lowlights even better now. This is gonna look so nice once it's toned. Step 8, toning. So I went to my local Sally's and I got me some Wella T10 toner. Now this will help to lighten the hair and to give it more of that ashy blonde color that I want. Now the box suggests using 20 volume developer, but I just went ahead and used my 30 since I already had a whole bottle of it. Here you can see I'm using another clean brush. Please note that this is a clean brush, and I'm just applying the toner to all parts of the lightened hair. Because if you do get this on any parts of the dark hair, it will lighten that and make it a lighter brown. So be careful. I let the hair sit inside a plastic bag for 45 minutes. Each bundle was in its own bag and the frontal was in its own bag as well. But you have to watch out when you do this because like I said, it did go ahead and dye my dark roots light, but I'm going to go ahead and dye that back dark later on. So here's some actual footage of how the hair looked after I went ahead and completed steps 9 and 10, which is shampooing the hair with the purple shampoo and toning the hair with the Blonde Brilliance Platinum Toner. Now as you can see, the hair really lightened and my ends still look really nice. So in part 2 of this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to construct this hair into a wig and how to dye the roots dark. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye guys!